Hello fishing friends, we're out here on the Little Tennessee River going for the pre-spawn largemouth and smallmouth. Hopefully they'll be biting today. Got out on the water late. I'm meeting Derek out here down here at the spot. So hopefully we'll be catching a few, put up a nice video today, and that's it. Everything's going good. Started back to work. Always feels good to work after you've been the whole winter off. Sometimes I feel like the only guy that actually enjoys my job, but I really do. Working at the Trout Club as a chef, it's nice. But we're out here. Let's try to catch a few, and I'll be checking back with you. Ooh, we finally caught one. It's a good one too. Threw it right in the log pile. Came out there and smoked it. And I did not think I was getting him out of there. That was literally it. I pulled him up over the limb. Yeah, I used that real heavy, that busted omen I made, with a pen battle and braid. Oh yeah, this is a good one here. Oh, get the camera on him. Let's get a pretty picture in the sun. 17 3/4. Well, not huge, but it's a good one. Right there. Get a little selfie and we'll let him go. Smoke that worm. Let's try to get it. Can't lean over. Was a good one. I had a feeling they were going to be right here. Well, we're out here, western North Carolina, on Lake Nantahala. We're out here fishing for big smallmouth bass. This is the pre-spawn time for them. Hopefully to get them on their little bedding areas, close to their bedding areas now here in the next couple weeks. This is like prime time. Hopefully we can catch them today. I'm out here with Derek. We're in the New Canoe Pursuit. I'm throwing a whopper plopper of all things. Water temperature's like 52. But the whopper plopper is going to be one of those baits I really work on this year. And when you work on a bait, you have to throw it in all conditions and all seasons, basically, just to kind of rule things out, see if it works or not. But hopefully you can get some on the whopper plopper. I like the 90. They've really improved the hooks. They don't need to change the hooks on them and everything. Back when they first came out, you used to have to change the hooks on them because they were crummy, but they're really good now. So we're out here going to try to catch them. I'd like to say congratulations to all the guys that fished the Georgia bass. I think it was on Hartwell. Joel Blair and Saturday Mel, Vinny Fiore, all those guys did awesome job. Joseph Gayton, I think, won, which is not surprising. Hammer. But so we're out here trying to catch a few. You can get some good ones here, and I'll be checking back with you. They're blowing up over here. I'm probably going to catch one. Come on now. Come on. There's a big one. Long. Woohoo. That is a long one. It's got a giant. Holy smokes, we gotta get a measurement on this guy. Big one. Big one. All right. Let's get a measurement. The old drawbridge on the... I like this PFD. It's a good one. Onyx. Highly recommended. $18.5 line burner. 18.5. What's happening here? There's an 18.5. Ooh, he's strong. There he is, right there. Let's let him go. Oh my God, they're blowing up. Blowing up, blowing up, blowing up. Let's see if we can get to him. Gosh, that was huge. The phone here if I kick it overboard. Whoa. Whoa. Tangled up. Tangled up. Grab another rod. Grab the underspin. Alright, let's catch him. Come on. God, it makes you feel so bad when you can't get them to... They're blowing up and you can't get them to bite. Oh my God, it's literally right on him. There he is. Oh, missed him. Missed him, missed him, missed him. Get in here, Derek. There he is. Oh! Bit the tail off. Oh my God, this is a shit show. Bit the tail off of it. Oh man. Why does this always happen? Fluorocarbon crap is wrapped around everything. He bit the tail. He took the Kytex straight off the back of it.
Did you just catch one before that?
Yeah, 18.5, 18 3/4.
What?
18 3/4.
Oh, nice.
Crush this thing. Derek's got one. Let's see. Come alongside here. Ooh, they're blowing up out there. Oh my God. It's a good one. How big was it?
15.5.
15.5. Fat one. Let me get out of Derek's way.
Yeah,
They were blowing up on that dock earlier, dude. I
they
couldn't.
were blowing up right in front of it.
Yeah, I couldn't get one to bite. I felt stupid. I threw a whopper plopper through there. I think I scared him out.
I freaking just, I threw into it when they were blowing up,
Finally caught.
Are you marking any fish out there?
Nothing. Talking to Derek on the comms. There it is. Let's give him a measure. Ah, he's small. Maybe Be lucky to make 14. We'll see. Ouch. Just clanged that thing on my knee. Woo! 14 and a quarter. 14 and a quarter. There it is. It's a little smallmouth. Let him go. Maybe there's a spool out there. See if we can get another one. It's been quiet. They were like blowing up this morning for about 10 minutes. Really good. Derek caught 2. I got 3 bites and caught 1. Let's change this line. All right, let's see. Never even hit the bottom. A lot of times with the smaller ones, you find one, you'll find 2. Bigger ones tend to be loners. Well, I don't know how this is going to show up. It's getting dark, but I'm trying to fill up a little bit of content and make a little bit of make a little bit better video. But we didn't have a great 2 days of fishing this week, but I did catch a couple of good ones. But here's I'll tell you the status of the boatyard right here. Here's the canoe. I got a total trailer rebuild, brand new bunks, repositioning of the bunks, everything. I'm getting ready to change the oil in the motor and get this all back together. Put on the new trolling motor. I actually have to cut these off. I actually weld my trolling motor on. I screw it on, then I weld it on this little disposable plate so I can change it anytime. Never pops up. And then I'm building a new trailer here. I got a really good deal on this. There's an old jet ski trailer. I already upgraded the size of the tires. It's mocked up right now, but I'm going to fit it. That's going to be the trailer for the new canoe. And then I'm going to take this monstrosity apart and put it back together the way I had it before, so the native can sit on there and the pursuit can sit on here, and everything will be dialed in. Everything will be good. I just like having a trailer for everything. I don't like the space it takes up, but I like to be able to switch around, effortlessly. So, and the John boat, everything's good. I've already taken it out once this year. We're going to get the motor serviced on it this year. It's time for an oil change. It only has like 29 hours on the motor, so I barely use it. It's kind of going to be my guide boat, if I ever retire. But I like my job. I can't see myself retiring. But if anybody wants to take a trip, hit me up. I guide around here a little bit. And then the workshop, the Grand National, it's always in a restoration stage. We're working on it, and it's kind of a mess right now. I've been doing a lot of stuff, so. And then go inside the fishing house. I love this house. I bought this house a long time ago. I'm here real quick and we'll go to the tackle shop. Everything's kind of messy. I'm like getting stuff cleaned up. I've been traveling a lot. But that's where I stage my rods, like my loadout, what I'm going to be working with, hopefully in the week. And this is like fly tying, and where I set up my units, I have like my own little power setup here. I just bring one of the batteries in, hook it up. I can do all my units. I don't really, I don't tie flies or anything like that, but I like to tinker with lures. I make these like little poppers. I don't know, they're kind of corny. I need to work on my paint jobs. But I make these little poppers. I think they're cool. And also tie up all my feather trebles. And that's it. Some big bass. Some lures, some old lures, some of them I find. Then the tackle shop room. Right here, got all my rods lined up, tackle, all my cooking stuff. You know, I'm a chef. My A-rigs hung up there. That's it, my little Kitech corner. My job is seasonal, so when I'm working, I always make sure I buy a couple packs of these. I stock it up, all my favorite colors. And then in the wintertime when I'm off, I don't really buy much tackle. And these are like my plastics, my Florida stuff, my saltwater, my Z-Man, my Zoom, the worms, terminal tackle, experimental stuff I'm playing with. I said I got a little shop out here. I like to be able to, you know, have a little fix-it shop for inside the house, especially when it's cold. I have this little islands where I keep like specialty hooks and stuff. I keep stickers. All the spare reels are right there. These are odds and ends for kayaks, some surf reels and stuff like that. And then, you know, just that. And then in here, it's like a storage room. My metal detector. I love metal detecting. I like the old analog metal detectors. And then I have all my surf gear here. I'm getting ready to like, I have some really nice surf gear and all my saltwater rods. That's it. The fishing house.